In the last video, I showed you how to register commands for the Amilious Console, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to unregister the commands. And if you watched the other video, this is exactly the same. If you haven't, I'd suggest going to watch that first. Alright, so if I want to unregister this, it's just the same thing as before, but let's do it in the disable, and I'll do Amilious Console instance and unregister command, this name of test, just like that. And again, if you have many commands in this object and you want to unregister all of the commands within this object, then you can just call unregister commands and this. So it's exactly the same, and we can go test this out. I'll put this back to the way it was. Okay, I'll save, head over to Unity. And now if I run, I should have, yes, the command is registered there. So if I hit F5, type /YouTube and blah blah blah. I liked the blah 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 video on YouTube. And now if I go over to this game object, which has that test on there, if I disable this, you can see the command was unregistered. Now I try to do /YouTube blah blah blah, and there's no command YouTube. Again, if I come over and enable it again, I should be able to use the command once more. And there you go. In the next video, I'll be covering the command behavior.